Set up your takedown. Set up your takedown.
Okay, guys, back up. Who's at the block? What's that, man? Put your hand down.
Stay on that. Good job. Get on your heels. Lift his head up. Lift his head. Lift his head up. Keep it, keep it. Look away and lift his head. Hold that. Lift his head.